Welcome to AI Millionaire Movement. In today's video, we're diving deep into a groundbreaking shift happening in the digital workspace, the rise of the AI automation consultant and how this emerging role is rapidly replacing traditional freelance virtual assistants. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI strategies and insights. Your support allows us to keep bringing you top-tier content designed to help you thrive in the AI economy. Let's get into it. Over the last decade, freelance virtual assistants, or VAS, have become an essential part of digital business operations. From managing calendars and inboxes to handling customer service, data entry, and social media, VAS have been the remote right hand of entrepreneurs and business owners. But today, a new player is emerging, the AI automation consultant. And this isn't just another fancy title, it's a disruptive force that's reimagining how businesses streamline tasks, save costs, and scale faster. So, what is an AI automation consultant? At its core, an AI automation consultant is someone who understands how to apply AI tools and automation systems to replace repetitive and manual business processes. Instead of manually responding to emails or updating spreadsheets, these consultants use tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Make, formerly Integromat, Notion AI, Google Workspace APIs, and dozens of niche platforms to automate workflows end-to-end. Think of them as the new age digital architects designing intelligent systems that work 24/7, without the overhead of hiring and managing people. Why is this role replacing virtual assistants? Well, it's simple: businesses crave efficiency. Virtual assistants, while incredibly helpful, still require training, supervision, salaries, and time. They can make mistakes, take time off, or even leave abruptly. On the other hand, once an automation is set up properly, it runs flawlessly, every time, for a fraction of the cost. AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't need motivation, and it scales effortlessly. Let's take a practical example. Imagine a real estate agent who used to pay a virtual assistant $500 a month to collect leads from their website, input them into a CRM, send follow-up emails, and remind the agent of upcoming appointments. Today, an AI automation consultant can create a system where all of that is done automatically. A chatbot powered by GPT collects the lead info, Zapier sends it to the CRM, a personalized follow-up email is triggered instantly, and calendar reminders are synced with the agent's phone. No VA required. Just smooth, consistent automation. And here's the twist: AI automation consultants can charge more than virtual assistants. Why? Because they bring results at scale. Instead of offering hourly work, they deliver long-term value. Setting up one automation can save a company hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars annually. That's a high ROI investment. Consultants can charge $1,000 to $5,000 for one-off automation packages or even offer monthly retainers to monitor, maintain, and upgrade systems. But here's the real opportunity for you. You don't need to be a coder to become an AI automation consultant. The tools available today are no-code or low-code. Platforms like Zapier, Make, Airtable, and ChatGPT plugins are designed to be user-friendly. You just need to understand logic, workflows, and how to connect tools to achieve a result. And guess what? You can learn all of that with just a few weeks of focused learning, and there are countless free resources and tutorials out there to help you get started. Let's talk about the skills you'll need. First, you'll need a solid understanding of how different business departments work: sales, customer support, content management, admin, etc. This allows you to identify where automation can make the biggest impact. Second, you'll need to master tools like Zapier, Notion AI, and Google Sheets, and understand how to prompt large language models like ChatGPT for custom workflows. Third, and maybe most important, you need to be able to consult with clients, to ask the right questions, identify pain points, and craft solutions that make sense for their business. This isn't just a side hustle, this can be a six-figure consulting business if done right. As businesses continue to adopt AI, demand for consultants who know how to implement these tools will skyrocket. Most small business owners don't have time to learn all these tools themselves. They're looking for someone who can step in, audit their processes, and build systems that run like clockwork. That's where you come in. Whether it's automating email outreach, onboarding workflows, client management, or content publishing, the opportunities are endless. Now, let's take a look at some popular niches where AI automation is already replacing VAS. E-commerce. Automating order tracking, inventory updates, and customer support through AI chatbots. Coaching and online courses. Automating lead capture, follow-ups, and scheduling using tools like Calendly plus Zapier plus ChatGPT. Real estate. Automating client communication, document sharing, and property listings. Agencies. Automating content briefs, report generation, and project updates for clients. Finance and bookkeeping. Automating data entry, invoice generation, and reminders. These aren't just tasks, these are businesses being transformed. And here's the kicker: you can productize your automation services. Imagine building templates and automation bundles for coaches, agencies, or e-commerce brands, and selling them on Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own site. Once built, these digital products can bring in passive income month after month. You've essentially turned your skill set into a scalable business model. In conclusion, the world of virtual assistants is changing fast. While freelance VAS will still have a role in certain industries, the writing is on the wall. AI automation consultants are taking over. If you're looking for a future-proof, high-income skill that's in demand right now, this is it. Learn the tools, start building systems, and offer your services to the world. You'll be shocked how quickly businesses are willing to pay for smarter, faster solutions. Thanks for watching AI Millionaire Movement. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And let me know in the comments, are you ready to become an AI automation consultant?